My name's Donna Woodruff. I'm Programme Manager for Animal Care and Dog Grooming at CWA Wisbech campus. We deliver Level 2 Dog Grooming Assistant and Level 3 Dog Grooming Diploma. For the Level 2 Dog Grooming course, we cover all the basics of what you require to become a dog groomer. We look at bathing, drying, preparing dogs to be groomed. And on our Level 3 course, we look at styling. So the course is structured with a large majority of practical that the students complete, and then we have theory sessions once a week for both Level 2 and Level 3. Within the course itself, there is a large majority of practical assessments that Level 2 and Level 3 dog grooming students have to complete, with theory exam on both courses.
My name is Georgia Moore and I'm currently studying Dog Grooming Level 2. A typical day would be doing the practical parlour in the morning, 9 till 12, and then if I've got any other lessons during the day, if not, I'll go in the LRC and study. The aspects that I'm enjoying the most is actually getting to work with the dogs and basically learning all their different personalities. I chose this college because it's the closest to where I'm based. They had one of the best reviews on the parlour. My tutor, she's amazing. She's helped me through a lot of hard times. She's listened to everything that I've ever had to say, and I go to her with all my worries and thoughts, and she's brilliant. I plan to hopefully pass my Level 2 and my Level 3, and I would like to become a mobile dog groomer to help out the disabled, because dogs are my passion. I basically travel the whole country doing dog shows, and I've showed and worked with dogs since I was 9 years old.
To complete the course, you have to start at a Level 2 dog grooming, and you have to be able to complete the Level 2 dog grooming, the theory and the practical side of it, to be able to progress to a Level 3. But also the Level 2 helps you become a dog grooming assistant. Students need to complete a Level 2 dog grooming assistant course first, and then you can progress onto a Level 3 depending on the grade you achieve on the Level 2 programme. From the Level 3 course, majority of our students either work in a dog grooming parlour or own their own parlour.
My name's Liliana Lester and I'm doing Dog Grooming Level 2. I chose CWA just because it's easier for transport. I really like the tutors at CWA. I think they're all really kind, really helpful, and they're just really good to help get your confidence.
This course is, like I said, very practical, but there is theory elements to it. It's a really good course to help you progress into the dog grooming industry. You've got to have a real passion and love for dogs to be able to do this course, and it's a lot of hard work. So the practical sessions, they're 3-hour sessions. If you're a full-time student, that's 3 days a week. If you're a part-time student, that's once a week. Having teaching staff working in industry is so important, because it provides students with industry experience, so people coming from the industry, being able to provide them with the knowledge and understanding of dog grooming, and be able to bring in different people from industry as well to support our students, to help them with that skill set. The practical hands-on, everybody loves that, and being able to work with such a large majority of dogs. Our parlour's open to the public, which means that we get such a variety of dogs coming through all the time, which then helps the students prepare for exams and then for industry. We have full-time and part-time dog grooming courses. Our full-time courses are for 16 to 18-year-olds, which is run over 3 days. We have, for Level 2, you complete 60 hours work experience, and for our Level 3, you complete 120 hours work experience. That is so important for students to be able to do work experience out in industry, because again, it's helping them while they're at college to help with their assessments, but it's giving them the skill set they require to become a dog groomer. We also run part-time courses for adults, so anybody over the age of 19. This is run 1 day a week, our Level 2 and our Level 3 courses.